The Clockmaker built wonders no one understood.
But one creation told no time at all. At its strike, time itself reversed.
A young apprentice touches the clock face and found his reflection aging in the glass.
Gears spin faster, pulling air into the mechanism. The machine devoured more than seconds. The apprentice vanishes, leaving only echoes. It rewound his very soul.
But time does not like to be undone.
The clock begins ticking again, and one day it will rewind us all.